So just to be clear, before I started recording this, I didn't realize really the difference between brushed and brushless molders. So it ended up actually being a contest between brushless and brushed, as opposed to being a contest of the between the two brands. But I just want to make that clear before we get started. Hopefully you liked the video anyway. For today's video, I have this Hart cordless power drill. This particular one was a combo pack. So it was a combo pack for $94, and with that you get the the drill, an impact driver, 2 batteries, and a charger, and then you get a couple of these little things. This is for the impact driver. We'll do that one later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare these individually. This is my Dewalt. I had this for a few years. This was also part of a combo pack. Obviously the batteries are not going to be interchangeable, but like I said, I had this for quite a few years. Got a little light. That's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna compare this. They're both 20 volt cordless power drills. They're very similar. This one's obviously quite a bit bigger. So it appears as though this one individually by itself would cost about $100. So the combo pack with 2 things in it from Walmart would cost $100 for this. The combo pack between this and that. Individually. Alright, so if you're interested in just getting the drill itself, it will come with a battery and a charger. This one would be about $40, and this one would be about $80 to $100, somewhere in that range. So one cool thing is it has this little thing back here. You got a flathead and a Phillips. Put that back in there. So that's a cool little feature. As far as the grips go and everything, they feel about the same. They're not too bad. This one's definitely a little bit heavier, you know, ambidextrous with your controls, so you can switch the direction very easily. Obviously this one's be about the same, you know, flip it over, use it in both hands. Let's see, obviously you start with a low setting. Let's go up to about 10. Get a little bit more power that way. That's pretty cool. Let's see, 18, 16, 20, a little bit above. And you got the highest. 2 different speeds. Wow, that is actually, yeah, surprisingly that actually gives a little bit of kick. That's pretty cool. Let's see. This one seems like it may have a little bit more power actually. It's still on 1. Wow. So we'll compare them in action, side by side. So before we go any further, something I have noticed that this one has a brushless molder, and then this one has a brushed molder. There is a little bit of difference in performance, apparently. I didn't know that at the time I bought these, but anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and leave a video down below, give you more information on that. So really it is a contest on brushless versus non-brushless actually. It's kind of weird that the light is down here rather than being like up here like this one. That light may seem to be a little bit brighter too. I don't know, we're going to check that out as well. Can you even see that? There it is. So we're going to check out the lights on these things for a second here. Alright. That's actually pretty good. Even though it's pointing kind of upward like that, I thought that would be kind of weird, but you know, It's actually not too bad. So now, Dewalt. Why did I say vault? Dewalt. I always put a V in there for some reason. Alright. Whoa, there we are. So that light seems to be maybe a little bit brighter. A little bit more focused forward, obviously, because it's up here, but... Oh, whoops. There it is. Take a look at that. So that one. And this one. So, there you have it. Most people think trees are made of wood. I think wood is made of trees. Anyway, you gotta make sure you have the right safety equipment. Whoa, that was pretty good. We're at 16. Let's go all the way down to 1. Put this on. On the lowest setting. See what happens. Not too bad. 4. Let's do 8. Alright. 12 is a good number. We went all the way in. That's pretty cool. Let's reverse them. Let's see if we can get them out. Pretty easy. Of course, these are wood screws, so they're made for this type of thing, right? It's gonna be a little bit of overkill, right? Whoa! Look at that! That was... Holy moly! Alright. So there's the difference. So let's go all the way down to 1. Ow. Okay. About the same result as we got last time. Let's go to 5. See what happens. Then we're at 12. Let's go right here. Yeah, that's cool. Up quickly. That's nifty. Okay. Let's put it on maximum. We'll put it on the drill setting, level 2. And we'll see how quickly we can get this wood here. Wow, look at that. Did we get through? Just barely. Almost all the way. Ignore that. There we are. Let's see what happens. Already a problem. Let's see. Let's turn this down. Is it going to... Is it going to come out again? Yeah, this seems to be a little bit slower, but that's to be expected. This is a brush. So there you have it. It takes a little bit while longer, but so by the way, just so you know, this the Dewalt battery charger. This has little nail things you can mount it on the wall somewhere or something like that if you want. Plus the cord is quite a bit thicker, seems like. As for this one, you can see very skinny cord. You can't really mount this anywhere. Basically, you have to put the battery in, and that's pretty much all you got. Right. So there you have it. This is the Hart 20-volt cordless drill. This is the brushed version, which cost $48, or you can get it in a combo pack with the impact for $95 or something like around that price. They do have a brushless version, which is $79. So if you're interested in that, what that will do is give you a bit more power. It will have more durability. I'll put a video down below for you so you know the difference. Overall, this is a pretty good one for what it's worth. If you just want to do projects around the house or whatever, this is probably good enough. I'll be doing the impact driver in another video probably next week, so we'll look forward to that. But besides that, don't forget to thumbs up the video. Make sure you hit the bell icon, and I'll see you on my next one. Feast your eyes on Dynor.
Safety is #1 priority.